What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about AMP, which has been pumping in value quite a bit. Nothing crazy, as you can see, just about 3% up in the last 24 hours, making it 0.005088. So is it time to buy, is it time to sell, or is it just time to hold on to it? And we're going to be looking at, is it going to keep going up in value, is it going to drop back down, and looking at its next predictions over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022 as well as next year. Is AMP a crypto worth investing into? Will it go any higher than the 1 cent target anytime soon? And covering both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at where it's heading to next as well. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, the market is down just under a percentage in the last 24 hours, and AMP has managed to gain a spot in the top gainers list in the last 24 hours, which is absolutely insane, because AMP most of the time it is dropping in value rather than pumping up. In the last hour itself, it managed to drop nearly 2% in value. Over the last day, nearly 3%. Over the week, 8% down, and over the month, a massive 30% down, guys, consistently dropping in value. There has been times such as here, September the 11th, just about 10 days ago, where it pumped up in value, hitting about 0.0089, and then ever since then it's been doing nothing but dropping in value. Now, going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 75% in the last 24 hours, making it $16 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded. Pretty sure we are seeing a lot of people investing into it. Let's have a look. Yeah, we got 83% buy against 17% sell. So yeah, most people are investing into the crypto for the long run as well. Yes, I myself, I do own some AMP. However, I haven't bought any recently. I've only bought it, I think it was about a year ago maybe, and I'm just holding on to what I've got. I'm not investing anymore unless it does take a major drop, because over the long run, I do believe AMP will go back up in value, but it may take a good couple of years. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing AMP at just about the red one here, 0.005058. However, it is trading at, it is currently hovering around 0.005063. That's the current price that it's trading at, but the SMA indicator currently shows 0.005597, meaning it's meant to trade at a slightly higher value, but it's not, meaning it's not performing too well and slightly lower than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have here? We do have the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning both the lines are heading in opposite directions to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, more or less, AMP should be fluctuating at the current price range with very minimal dips and peaks in between. So overall, I'm not saying it's going to be exactly at this current price range, but hovering around that price range is what I'm expecting over the next 12 hours. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? With the blue line and the orange line are slightly slanting towards the positive direction, looking a little bit bullish, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected on AMP over the coming days. However, nothing too crazy, guys. It is going to be a very minimal increase in value. As you can see, the lines are not looking too steep. They are just about slanting towards the positive direction, so minimal gains are expected. And again, this does not mean we're going to be consistently seeing green candles every single day for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's down, green days when it's up. It's going to be up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. So do expect minimal gains in value over the coming days. So I'm talking about towards mid next week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, what can we see here? As expected, guys, not looking too bullish. We do have the blue line slightly slanting towards the positive direction, and the orange line is slightly slanting towards the negative direction. Just like the first graph, both lines are going in opposite direction. However, I myself am expecting an overall drop in value on AMP over the coming weeks. So late October to early November, we should expect it to trade at a slightly lower value than what it's worth at the moment. Just like how it's been performing since, let's have a look here, it's been dropping consistently since November 2021. So for nearly a year now, so 10 months straight, it's been dropping in value consistently. Yes, it's had peaks here and there in between, but overall it has been dropping in value. And yeah, I'm not expecting it to recover anytime soon, but what I am expecting is more drops in value on AMP over the coming weeks, and potentially towards the end of the year we should be at a much lower value than what we are at the moment. However, hopefully they do have some news and collaborations coming up over the coming months that can potentially pump the value of AMP, but nothing like that is predicted as of yet. So far, not too great on AMP for the long-term investors. And again, short-term, yes guys, you can make a lot of money, but it's also very easy to lose a lot of money as well. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But as you guys can probably see on the screen, there isn't much we can do because we are trading in the red zone. Not only that, but we are trading in the lower part of the red zone and have been trading in the red zone since January 2022. Since early 2022, we've been trading in the red zone, and over the months we've been getting worse and worse and worse. And for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit at least 3 cents in target, which we are not even close to. We're going to have to go through a major increase in value, nearly about 800 to 900% increase for us to hit the 3 cents target, which I'm not expecting from AMP anytime soon. So more or less, guys, it's very likely for this year and next year we are going to be trading in the red zone. But that doesn't matter, guys. What matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in an opposite direction, we should be good. As it takes time. Projects like AMP have been failing since, as you can see, there was a time where it hit 12 cents about over a year ago, but now it's not even worth a tenth of it. It's literally gone all the way down, which is not looking too great. But hopefully we should be seeing some minimal increases in value over the coming months on AMP. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on this crypto, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what your expectations, what your predictions are on this crypto, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto, as I've seen a lot of positive and negative comments around AMP as well. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit the 100k subscriber target by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.